Wala bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on the screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyaza ngihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no
Shepa phethu kunjani Camera Ringtini Focuswell Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
yeah.
Yebo baba.
On today's episode bafethu sibuka iBafana Bafana, journey that they had World Cup. Wow bafethu. Ukhuluma ama history makers here. They landed today in South Africa. Yeah. So mfethu awusitshele nje. Asiqalanga kahle. Everyone knows that. They even doubted our football. We have many doubters around the world nje kahle kahle. Kwafika igame esibili kwathi kuba ngconywana sadlala idraw. Kwafika esithathu we won that game. We played so well in that game.
Yeah.
Sakwazi ukuqualify saya kuma last 32 where we got beaten. Nakhona ekugcineni
90+2.
Yo, yabo. That's something to celebrate kahle kahle. Yeah. Because no one ever in South African football was select or winner, whether a coach or whatever, wadlula kuma group stages.
Yeah.
So that's something to celebrate.
It's to celebrate us with it.
Yeah, but it's something to build up on.
Yeah, but honestly, I think the boys had a good run. I'm sure they can't just happy, you know. Mabakubuza ukuthi naphuma kuphi ku-World Cup. Siyakwazi nokubala ukuthi asaphuma nabo Germany. Saphuma nabo Germany, ngaphuma nabo Germany. Yabo, usukhulumila konje ehlokile. Athi saphuma sephuma iGermany nebo Netherlands. Yabo, sazwakala ukuthi yawu serious.
Into ishoye isolid.
Iyaphatheka manje.
Yeah.
No, but I think isikhathi sale journey yabo siyibuke ne. I think in the first game Mexico ne, for example, that's not that bad. But just somebody got too much respect. And at the same time, I feel like there was too much pressure. Because even your coaching, I'm sure what's being pressure. Then you're born to prepare to lose. But at the same time, I'll phone lose with a very high margin score. So that's why I'm coming more this challenge. I'm defend the remaining first game. So obvious, it's first game. We're playing. I'm a host. The whole world is on us. So very pressure was there. So the coach had some cover go to that side. Asidliwe kahle singadliwa kakhulu yabo.
I mean I doubt yona ndlela besifisa ngayo thina
as fans besingafisi kanjalo but the coach nayo phela is there bayibona life lento yenzeka kubona thina sibuka TV, you know, bona bayifile le pressure ukuthi ibona bodlala and you want to protect the boys so but us defend yabo because umubuka second game, you know, siyaqala second game isingathi we want to play even though we're not scoring and then we're conceding a goal.
Yeah.
You know, and then you start now coming back, it's funny goal. And eventually it happens, actually penalty. And then we got our first point. Because that game, you can tell South Africa arrived the World Cup.
Yeah.
They could,
everyone was
slowly starting to see good
time. Moment, yes.
These underdogs, man. Yes, we were starting to play. Because South Korea, last game, group stages, they were nowhere to be seen.
Yeah, true.
No matter extra 20 minutes, they were not going to score a goal.
Yeah,
yes, because that's how good we were getting to be. So the boys were having a very good run for me, you know. And then again, last game.
Yeah.
Last game was I don't know. But even though there are things that are questionable,
no, I want us to shy constructive criticism.
Yes.
By looking at what we need to improve and not just individually look at that game. We are about you are so good.
No. Good last game. Good last game, okay. Not that we were awful, you know. We were not awful. Because I think like Mexico was a threat at some point now. It's just with him good last minute when they what happened.
I think there were players who were down in the game like
Yeah. But not we were playing bad. We were not playing bad. There's still you can see what we want to win this thing. Because I've seen some people now analyzing would say, I don't know who headed the ball. Could have went that side, and then you know, now we're starting to look at the things that don't make sense. Useboxing now.
Ucabanga yonke leyo nto leyo
How?
ugijima uhefuzela
uzohead the ball
hayi
ukuthi
ngeke
ngabo
kwazi.
there's a space ngabe heading up ngabe iwanga on the opponent
Yeah.
ngabe they couldn't score. No, it's part of the game with the guys zowenzeka, and we don't blame the boys.
Amaphutha ayenze.
Yes, it's part of the game, you know. And imagine back to 90+2 mentality ya switch. It's like we want to score in 3 minutes now.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, time was not on our side. It's more like I feel like if they scored the goal about 60 minutes, best equalize. Best equalize, you know. So I think for me, the boys have done exceptionally well. See here, PC can't. And they made us proud, you know. Because now
Those are the
they
moments.
could see now go to the countries up, you know, seeing people celebrating. So I feel like they could feel our energy. We could feel that they want to win it. So for me, the boys just had a good run in World Cup.
True.
Yeah.
True. Okay. Ayike. Leyo ke let's asibeke la.
Yeah.
Sithi okay, what can we take? Because vele sizosho ukuthi sinayo manje experience.
Yeah.
We want to see ourselves going even further than last 32. Yabo. What can we take going into the AFCON, going into 2030 World Cup? Because 2030 you will be surprised. It feels like it's tomorrow. Lendlela nje oseduze ngakhona. Iziphi izinto that we need to learn? What are the things that we need to take from these performances arrange, which we would say amanya down, amanya up? That's expected because besingenayo le experience before.
Yeah.
Yes. So World Cup 2010 for that matter.
I think we should never approach any team or any country with fear.
Yeah.
You know, and let's not get there and say how we play is going to be controlled. You know, so if we have our own South African way of playing, first, second, yes, first, second, first, siyazi ukuthi thina sowenzani egamini. Right ukuthi bona thina igame bayizwe ngathi. Hayi ukuthi thina zakube sithi siyasaba silinde bona, you know, because if you look the confidence,
impose ourselves onto them.
Yes. So if you look at the confidence while we're playing these games, we are born shifty, it's getting bad. So now the boys have experience. So obvious, like we say, going to the next tournament, what I believe should happen firstly, assisable Lutho.
Yeah.
Because we can see what we are capable.
It's true.
We are capable.
That's
so
true.
we should take this same over now going competition. And then in them now they are so young. You know, most of them they are so young.
They are young.
Yes, most of them they are so young. So I believe abaning bayago AFCON. So whoever coach is coming there, who understand each other, obviously to add you know, because it's number fan basazo perform on a PSL. Abanye might get injured. It's part of the game. So, but the coaches are it doesn't have to start from scratch building this team.
In our foundation.
In our foundation. So going forward, I'm going to play coach issue, but whichever coaches is on don't have too much to do, man.
Yeah.
You know?
True.
Yeah.
Iloko bona. Okay. Ama improvements that you see ukuthi singawenza kwi-team, because yebo khona you're talking about us really imposing ourselves onto the opponent. Kodwa kunama improvements that one may say sidinga ukuthi siqinise la, because we are not as flawless even on the games that we got more chances to show the world ukuthi singoba.
Yeah.
We were not as flawless as you would check Sundowns playing, as you would check Pirates playing, as you would check Chiefs playing, you know?
Yeah.
Ukuze sifike kuleya level, ikuphi okunye that you would think mhlambe singakwenza
within the squad.
Squad, yes. Because phela one thing esizoyivuma at this stage ukuthi we have a lot of local players, so we will make reference vele ngama teams that are local.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think as much as I'm mentioning ukuthi siya abafana abancane abayasese young ne, and then sobuka nema bathini abantu abadala ama Grootman ebese watsebenzisa World Cup, you know. manje ngeke ngiwamenishile ufuna wamenishile.
Yeah, no, don't.
Yabo
Don't. It's
kulama
fine.
frontman besasebenzisa uyabona
Yeah.
ukuthi igame yabo at some point akusasiyona leya back then esibazi ngayo, you know.
Yeah.
Obviously it could tell ukuthi they are aging vele kuzoshintsha, so into kumele siyenze nathi siyi country komele sinika abaye abafana abancane a chance ukuthi sibafaka kulama position la kudlala khona labantu ngathi sibathembile, yabo.
Yeah.
That is why izobe sibuyela kule yamkwena bengafuni ukuyikhuluma ukuthi if angekho umkwena can we survive, you know, because manje ufuna umdlalisa noma mhlambe it's not meant to be today ungwazi nokumthatha out.
I think angifuni ukubheka kakhulu because yabona if you uzoyisho kanjalo izoya ku coach kanti ucoach had his own mistakes that he has to learn. It's unfortunate that umuntu othi uyahamba but akhona ama mistakes ku team selections mangayibeka kanjalo team selection ucoach wenzile ama mistakes yabo in terms of ukubalance isi team even though esebona ukuthi this ibisebenza but aqhubeke with, you know, that's why ngithi ngifuna ama improvements going forward. When you look at mhlawumbe striking force ngeke ngenze isibonelo nge striking force, you know very well ukuthi size salina kumahopa. That's because uFoster vele akadlala khona two umedlala la eSouth Africa is not really doing much of a job. Reyners was not playing with Sundowns as well. Nayo bengekho fit. Mahopa played towards the end of the season with Pirates, but naye when it comes to scoring sibe nenkinga.
I think phela ngithi kusukuthatha the best strikers esinawo South Africa, but the only problem it could be ukuthi mhlambe expect ukuthola i-striker kulama big team. That's why mhlambe expect, and if lama big team angana strike
but phela mangabe nihluleka ukubreaka u20 goal nje qala ku-PSL yonke, which means that engaqhamuka kwe-Arrows ozoshaya 20 goals.
Yes.
Bese sithi naye why ungambizi lo, but njengamanje sinayo i-reference efana.
So which means it's a South African football problem.
Yes.
Ukuthi asikwazi ukutrain abantu bethu ukuthi inet bayidle.
That's true.
Yes. So it has to cope like development.
Kuma strikers especially.
Yes.
Because some strikers umsebenzi we-striker phela ukukora igoli. Yebo, modern day strikers you'll find ukuthi baya contribute kwi-play. Vele phela le striker vele kwayisona lesi sakudala. Hayi ukuthi masithola ibhola siyashaya igoli kuphela. You have to link up, you know. But main priority fana priority defend ukudefend. Akwazi ukuthi priority defend ukuthi ashaya cross ukudefenda first. Bese ke sesiyadlala as ukuba namanye ama skills akwazi ukusilekelela kweplay yethu, you know. So
ngiyabuza mina, but it has to go back to development. So uzo develop kanjani? Shothi kumele siphinde sipay attention ku under 17, under 20, under 23 to try and build loyo muntu. Kodwa manje ama teams ethu PSL they're not giving us. Like we are saying, the top goal scorer 13. Si happy na 13, uthola golden boot na 13 goals. 13 goals in fact. Out of 30 games. Ubona ukuthi quality off.
Udlale ngake yena. So scratch la ungawadlalanga. Sibone ukuthi udlale ngake. Kulama akasashayi hayi futhi kuwena.
So whose responsibility is supposed to be that? This team's development or Safa must develop something strategic.
So Safa ekugcineni kosuku kufanele ukuthi yabo yonke into ofethi ne goal.
Yes.
And the goal ngeke uyi-achieve ngalesi sikhathi lezi ayikho goal ozothi manje, you know. We talk about Mfukeng kalula loosely bombokazi kalula loosely because that's kodwa it started eboardroom kwane goal ukuthi sifisa manje ukushintsha izinto sizenze ngalendlela le, because namanje mina I don't pride myself ukuthi iPirates yaba developer labadlali. They just spotted talent. It just so happened ukuthi talent eselivuthiwe lonke. Kota, you count Mbokazi, you count Mfukeng. All those players, even the ones that are still coming, you will really find out ukuthi it's umdlali okuthiwa mhlawumbe lokho eqala ukudlala kwePirates na 8 ufike sena 16. That's a fully developed player.
Yeah.
You know. So into engizama ukisho ukuthi let's then change sibe ne goal ukuthi igoal yethu manje ukuthi sifisa ukuthi because it just so helps we attack mfethu. Manje you rely on wingers. Yabona nje we were relying more on Maseko and he gave us something. in as much as singamgxeka sithi Maseko bengaphasi, Maseko begeja, but we are able to talk about ukugeja because Maseko was there.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? But ke manje sekufanele phela siyishintshe lento because ekugcineni kosuku we are solid in playing the ball from the back, but alikwazi ukuthi base lisuka la from the back lithola abantu who are ready or who are more technically astute ukusebenza ngale lokhu njana ngaleli bhola esilitholayo, you know, that those are the things to look at kahle kahle ebengizama ukuyithola la ukuthi could we not then look at, because at the end of the day we have a solid foundation, man.
Yes.
So it means ukuthi asaqala ekuqaleni kodwa asishintshe phela sibona ngoba phela ekugcineni kosuku ushintsho luzosinikeza ama results whether ayabheda noma wabheda, but ngoba siyalwenza ushintsho, which means that we are expecting positive results.
Ngozwa kahle.
Yes.
Ngiyakuzwa manje. Akazi ukuthi
But ke we will need a new coach anyway.
a new coach sozwa ngayo mayipase announce. Kwamanje angazi ukuthi ubani. Baba announce ile airport abanye so nje.
Yeah. Mfethu andisitshele nini ukuthi ubani omfisayo ukuthi abe coach we-South Africa, because yonke lento esiyikhulumayo singayikhuluma size sifike la siyikhuluma khona siyikhuluma on a fan standpoint. Ucoach ufanele akwazi uku-implement such things, you know.
Yeah.
So sitsheleni ukuthi ubani wena ombonayo ukuthi can coach this national team, ayithathe la isikhona njengamanje. Otherwise we'll see you on another one.